Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to unbox the Black & Decker bagless vacuum cleaner. One of the superior model of Black & Decker with 2 years warranty, and it's very unique, very powerful. Let us just see what are kind of the features which is there. It has the 6-stage filtration. That means 6 times the filtration for the dust, for stylish, powerful, and effective cleaning results. And what they say here, six-stage filtration, 1.5 millimeters mini airflow, cyclone power, which is around 20 kPa. It's large, 2.5 liters dust capacity. That is the cyclone holder. I will be showing you in a while when I unbox it. And there's nothing much. Variable speed control with overheating protections. That one I'll show you also. Sofa brush and this kind of things also, all I will be showing you in a while. So let's open. Guys, as I should tell you in these videos, what we do is just for educational purposes and unboxing, to show you how to do proper installation when the time of buying. Instead of struggling to read this manual, we make your work more simpler by explaining and showing you live on how to operate your gadgets. So it comes with one pipe. I will be showing you in a while how to use it. This is the sofa brush. This also I'll show you how to connect it. Comes with those 2 pipes which can go in each other. I'll be showing you also in a while how to operate this one. Comes with extra 2 brushes, especially for sofa and surfaces of sofa sets that are hidden, so this one can work. Accessories has too much accessories. This one is for the floor. As I told you, this is one of my favorite. It's one of my favorite vacuum cleaner. It's washable. The filters are washable. You don't need to change the filters. It's one of my superior brands. So that's the unit itself. So I'll just show you how to open it. This is for the cable. This is the switch. You can use your legs to switch it on off. You can just open the cyclone. That's how it's being opened. You can just remove the whole dust cabin, and I will show you also how to remove the dust from this one. You can just remove and throw the dust, and I'll show you the stages of filtration, which they are saying 6 times filtration stages. This also you can open. This is one filter where air flows inside here, so it doesn't need much. So that's it. This is the cable. I'll be putting it to power. Nothing much, only the switch on off. These are stages of filtration. For it's 1600 watts. You can just adjust from there. This is for the cable extraction. When you pull the cable, it's extract by itself. Very good model. So I'll just try to connect. It's very simple. This one, the sucker. It goes here. That's it. And this one you can use it for the sofas actually, like this. I'll start with the sofa. These are the brushes, twistable. You can use to remove even from your sack from your clothes. This one also you can use for some rough surfaces in the wall or in your clothes. This one is for the corners. For instance, in the corners, you can use this one, in which I'll be showing you in a while. So I'll start with the longer cable. This is just a normal pipe, plastic pipes, too easy to remove. Put it back. Guys, this one is only $125. It's very easy to operate, very simple. So let's put it in power and see how it's behaving. I'll adjust the speed. I'll adjust the speed of sucking. Very fast, guys. As you can see, all is here. Very easy to open. You can see all the particles are here, and then you just pour them like this. Very simple, and it's clean. This is washable. That's it. You can remove the dust from here like this, in case there will be dust here, but this one takes a while. So you put it back. Now you can use it for your sofa. Just remove this one. I'll try it in my sofa. And I'll be connecting this one here. Very effective, guys. So thank you guys for watching. This is one of the best 1600 watts for Black & Decker. I will recommend you to buy this small gadget, $165 where we are. Thank you guys for watching our channel, and do remember to subscribe to our next channel.